Hello, friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we will discuss how to trade on the Quotex platform. I will introduce a trading method that I often use, especially for a trading duration of 2 minutes. I will explain the steps of this method in detail and clearly so that it is easy to understand, even for those of you who are just starting out as beginner traders. The first step we have to do is choose the trading duration, which is 2 minutes. At this stage, I will use all the capital I have for this trade because I will use cross signals as a tool for analysis. And here are the available market options. Make sure the market we choose is available. Then I will choose a signal duration of 2 minutes. Then don't forget to equate the percentage with the market. Click on this section to get a signal, then follow the signal that appears, for example, like this. The reason I chose to buy down was because of the signal provided by the cross-signal application. Within a signal duration of 2 minutes, the application clear provides an indication of sell. This is the main and strong reason why I took this decision. For friends who are interested in trying the original version of cross signal without the risk of using duplication, please check the link in the video description. However, I want to emphasize that this is completely your choice. I am not forcing anyone to use this tool. It is important to remember before placing a trade, you must fully understand any risks involved in trading. Trading is not just about making a profit, but also about risk management and a thorough understanding of the market. Okay, friends, I have explained all the steps and explanations in detail. Now, let's watch this video till the end to see how this tool works on the Quotex platform. That way, we can together evaluate whether this tool is truly effective or not. Remember, it is important for us to always analyze and understand how the tools we use in trading work. So watch this video till the end so you can find out the final result. Finally, friends, I managed to make a profit from all the trades I made today without experiencing any losses. These results show how reliable tools can make a big difference in trading. If you are interested in trying the tool I use, namely Cross Signal, you can download it via the link I have included in the video description. Remember, make sure you use the original version to get maximum results. Thank you for watching until the end, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you in the next video.